ब्रेक नंतर स्वागत आहे. सामना क्रमांक 23 महाराष्ट्र प्रीमियर लीग. Eagle Nashik Titans taking on the Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings. The Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings captain winning the toss and deciding to field first. If you talk of the Eagle Nashik Titans, the top three names, Mandar Bhandari, Arshin Kulkarni and Sahil Parakh have been impressive. The Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings, Om Bhosle, Murtuza Trankwala, OK, Onkar Khatpe, Digvijay Patil, Mandar Bhandari. Opening for the Eagle Nashik Titans, Arshin Kulkarni, always an exciting talent. And to start proceedings, it's going to be Pranay Singh. Opening for the Eagle Nashik Titans, 133 runs at the strike rate of 164.2, 47 being his. And Salah Kheluya. Pranay Singh just gently releases it. But oh, he was unhappy with that. Mandar Bhandari just lets it go.
The bails. This time around, on the money. The one that comes, you've got an opportunity. The danger man, Arshin Kulkarni, clean ball by a peach of a delivery. Pranay Singh, see the emotion, he knows. It's 2 for 1.
Yeah, that's what he does. A couple of steps ahead. And there we go. Something was going to happen. Doing that again. A Kadak shot by Bhandari. Left-hander on strike. Down the leg side. Way down the leg side. 5 runs gifted.
That's 4 more runs down the leg side.
Again, nicely connected. Sweet connection. What a sound. The first 6 of the day. Sahil Parakh says that's enough now. Goes big, goes long, gets. The stylish left-hander. What a shot this. Back the bowlers. There we go again. Comes down the track. Chance. Straight to the fielder. Shams Kazi. Sahil Parakh coming down the track.
Let's have a closer look. Yep, saw him coming down the track. Just pull the length back a shade, and I thought he ran his fingers across the ball, taking the pace off, and that goes for 70, 36 for 2.
Bowling is third now. Gives some room in the air, but clears the infield. Mandar Bhandari. Inside edge, and it'll be a boundary. A lucky boundary. Once again, off an inside edge. This will run to the boundary. Oh, he is welcomed to the crease with a big one. What a shot that is from Mandar Bhandari. Timed it. Oh, down the leg side. This will be runs for Eagle Nashik Titans. Straws now. Making room. Has he connected this one? Yes, he has. Nicely done. Was about
the off stump because of the wrist positions that you have. Brilliant. Brilliant batting there by Mandar Bhandari. Gets to his 50 with 2 big hits.
The Eagle Nashik Titans. We'll have a look at those 2 big ones. That was the perfect sweep by Mandar Bhandari, the Baithak that took him to his half century of just 34 deliveries. Brilliant knock. Stayed there, tough times. Taking those 1s and 2s. Oh, follows him, and that'll be 4. Oh, sweet, that is. Short ball, he went for it. 6 runs. That was pace. Going for it again, takes the outside edge, fielder, third man, flies over him. Looking to compensate now. Yes, there he goes. What a shot this.
Coming down the track, Shams Kazi saw him, just pull the length, but he was ready for the adjustment in length by Shams Kazi.
Once and over. Tossed up, hasn't connected well, fielder's interested, no. Tossed up, accepted, that goes long. That's huge. 19 runs of that over to end the 15th, 155 for 2, the Eagle Nashik Titans.
Lost 2 wickets. He was going for those shots and getting it. Brilliantly played by Kushal Tambe. He's in good form as well. He's a quality.
Just 3 balls and considered 2 only. And he can pick up a wicket. Yes, he does. He is a superstar.
Kushal Tambe pavilion में 165 पर 3.
Few overs. In the air. Oh, just over the fielder.
Standing at the back, side the screen. Again, what a shot! Beautiful timing. Try to bowl Yorker there.
Round the wicket he comes, and this is a brilliant shot. Mandar Bhandari with that bat.
भंडारी ने माहौल बना के दिया है. वाह, हेलीकॉप्टर शॉट. काफी दिक्कतें आ सकेंगी. ओह, फुल टॉस गेंद. फ्लैट 6. कमाल का शॉट. ये तीसरा छक्का शिंदे का. डाल सकते हो. आपको ऊपर का क्रिकेट खेलना है, जो टॉप लेवल का क्रिकेट. आहा, मैंने बताया था. क्या शॉट है. कमाल का शॉट.
93. Full toss. Yes, he'll get a boundary there. The square leg was inside the circle. All that. And he will get that century. Well played, Mandar Bhandari. Eagle Nashik Titans needed this kind of an effort. And Mandar Bhandari has delivered. The second fastest century of the Maharashtra Premier League. The third of the MPL. And the first of the second season.
46 रन की बन चुकी है, पर ये 100 वाला शॉट, ये फीलिंग ही अलग होती है. और ये टीम के लिए खेली है ही नहीं. जो पोजीशन है टेबल पर, उसके लिए ये इनिंग खेली है. और चार्ज अप थे पहले गेंद से. आज क्या डिसाइड करके आए थे, मैं आज एक अच्छी बारी खेलने वाला हूँ.
And it'll be a single to finish the 20 overs of the Eagle Nashik Titans. The third time that they have crossed the 200 run mark. And eventually they finish with 202 from Dhanraj Shinde. But the standout performer, Mandar Bhandari, not out 102 of just 58 balls, helped that tally of Eagle Nashik Titans. The bowling card, Pranay Singh, definitely the pick of the bowlers. 4 overs, 35 runs, and picked up 2 wickets.
Anand Kadak. Left-hander, Om Bhosle. This season, 278 runs for him at a strike rate of 140. Of the Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings, Murtuza Trunkwala. He doesn't waste time. But all eyes on the senior pro here, Mukesh Chaudhary. He's just picked up 7 wickets. 1-3. The left arm seamer, good swing. Could not open his account, but a chance with the ball in hand. Stays down the leg side. This time on his legs, and that'll be 4. This one just missing the radar.
Left arm paces. That'll be 4 again. 1 through.
Orange cap in his honor. Nice shot there. Pitched up. Om Bhosle.
Getter he's been this season. Wow. Quick cut. Start into a big score. If you're looking to chase down 213, you want your prolific run getter to spend as much time out there in the middle, and especially if
48. And Pangare continues, and Trunkwala also continues. And Pangare pitched up, and Trunkwala connects it well. Easy, yes.
Yeah, but they did a boundary here. Oh, what a shot. Murtuza, Trunkwala.
Smart batting. Just giving it direction. Will get a boundary. And the first ball, short one down the leg side. Oh, Samadhan dived there.
Shot. What a shot. Murtuza, Trunkwala. पिछले ओवर में भी क्या एक शॉट मारा था, छक्का.
Oh, in the gap. Well placed.
A very good over this for the Chhatra.
फील्ड है बारिश की वजह से। ये फिर गैप में ये चौका आएगा। व्हाट अ शॉट, ब्रिलियंट शॉट।
Yes, he does that. Kiran sir just called it. And Om Bhosle has heard. Match number 23. Trunkwala, and he tongs it over the cow corner. Yes, he does. Lele is the call. Charge no. Again, just on the leg side. Who is Arshin Kulkarni fine there again? Happy after he fielded that. But that's 50 for Om Bhosle. Once again, he's been continuously and consistently scoring runs. Already has the Chandu Borde orange cap. And that's his third consecutive half century. And that's where he's just showing his class. And the platform provided by the Maharashtra Premier League, he's delivered again today. The strike rate of 147, 3 boundaries, 3 sixes.
As well. And has those sort of improvisations. Leg stump line, and all he had to do is.
Full toss, has he connected? Fielder, no, going over him. As you mentioned, the Yorker can be a deadly option. Oh, he's got a chance. Straight up in the air, fielder under it, taken.
And importantly, breaking that partnership of 144. Up in the air, had to take a few steps back. Well played, Om Bhosle for his 59. It's 144 for 1.
Centuries for him. In at number 3 is Onkar Khatpe. Okay. Samadhan Pangare comes into the attack and he is welcomed with. Nicely hit over the infield. One bounce into the fence. Excellent batting. Smart. Nicely cut away. As fast as it could be.
99 में बैटिंग कर रहे हैं, 50 गेंदों में बदला है। 2 रन मिलेंगे बिल्कुल आराम से यहाँ पर। अच्छी क्रिकेट यहाँ पर, बहुत ही बेहतरीन, वेरी सेंसिबल। मुर्तुजा ट्रंकवाला कमाल के 100, आउटस्टैंडिंग इनिंग, कैप्टन्स नॉक बाय मुर्तुजा।
The first. Oh, he has hit it out of the park here. Trunkwala is putting him up at the stadium.
Bravo, what a shot. Wow.
Goes the aerial route on the bounce. It'll go into the fence. Oh, it's gone high up into the stands. This will sail. 3 of 12. K is the call. Will it be taken? Oh, brilliant attempt.
मैं था मिस टाइम हुआ, मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ।
ओंकार खटपे मार दिया है छत पे।
कमाल, बेहतरीन टाइमिंग के साथ, हेड पोजीशन बहुत ही बेहतरीन, बैट स्पीड आउटस्टैंडिंग और अंडर सही मौके पे आया है। फिर वापस शॉट यहाँ पर हवा में, गेंद और ये आउट। अच्छा कैच।
Never easy to judge them, and especially in the kind of pressure that this catch came to him. He judged it well. 199 for the loss of 2 wickets. Kuala. Oh, he's played on. Oh, is this?
यहाँ पर उसके पहले भी चौके छक्के उन्होंने बहुत मारे, पर ये काफी दूर, इस टाइम ज्यादा हिले नहीं, वहीं के वहां से सिर्फ। और क्या इनिंग खेली है, आउटस्टैंडिंग इनिंग, 122 in 63 balls.
Oh, he connects really well. He starts with a 6. Bad it down. He has hit that really well. That's a six.
छक्का मारा और ये शॉट कमाल की बैट स्पीड और वो भी कवर्स पे छक्का मारना, वो भी 77 यार्ड की बाउंड्री के ऊपर से।
That's it. Rajavardhan Hangarkekar goes for that single and the team celebrate with the man of the moment, Murtaza Trankwala. What a chase this has been under lights. Absolutely fantastic cricket that we are witnessing here in the second season of the Maharashtra Premier League. Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings win this match. Trankwala, the captain, starring in the win, the highest individual score in the MPL for him.